Good evening, Olivier in France. This is Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you for your Bang & Olufsen system, and it's all working as it should be. Okay, you can see that. Now, what I've actually done, okay, is I've taken it apart. I've given it a service for you. So I've taken all the cogs off. I've cleaned the cogs and got rid of all the gunk and the crap in the cogs. I've put a brand new laser inside for you. I've checked your board. Your board is fine. I've checked the micro switch. That's fine. I've had it on test now for several hours and it's working as it should be. Now I can turn the volume up for you. Okay, I'll go up a track. So I'll just turn that down now. And I'll stop that. Okay, so yeah, basically I've given it a full service for you. You've got a 6-month warranty on that. Okay, 6 months warranty. The warranty covers the laser and my labour to do the laser. So if you get any problems within 6 months on the laser, what we've replaced, we'll do that free of charge for you. All we ever ask for is the postage back to you. Okay, that's all we ever ask for, is the postage money. So I trust that you're happy with this, and if there's anything else we can ever do for you, please feel free to give us a call and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Thank you very much for your business, and we do appreciate your business, and hope you have a great day. And this will be in the post, priority mail for you, so you should get this within about 4 days or so, I guess, you know, depending on what your post is like. So thank you very much again. Have a great day. Thank you.